Mahipalpur's groundwater surveyors are extremely important in determining the region's groundwater resources quantity and quality. Mahipalpur, a neighborhood in Delhi, significantly relies on groundwater for a variety of uses, including drinking, farming, and industrial use. These surveyor services are crucial for comprehending groundwater dynamics and creating long-term management plans. Mahipalpur groundwater surveyors carry out their surveys using a variety of methods and equipment. They gather information on things like groundwater levels, recharge rates, and quality standards. This data aids in assessing the general condition of the local groundwater system. These surveyors can spot possible problems like over-extraction, contamination, or dwindling populations by analyzing the data gathered. An important part of determining the quantity and quality of groundwater resources in the area is played by groundwater surveyors in Mahipalpur. A large